Hey guys, we're ready for our final step of our slide project. We've done everything from the title slide to the reference slide. Now we just need to make them all look good together. So far we've had a really plain, boring white background, and it's just not really making our slide pop. So we're going to do two things in order to make this slide just look a little better. One, we're going to change the theme. And two, we're going to change the background of our title page. So the first thing we're going to do is theme. Now, as you notice, I have not clicked on any text boxes. Nothing is blue. And because of that, I have these options at the top. If you are currently inside of a text box, then you won't have those options because it'll be trying to change the text. So if that's the case and you have a blue box around your text and you don't have those options, click off of it on the side and you will get those options back. So the one we're going to choose first is theme. Now, the theme affects all of the slides, not just one. It's the way that they all look. And the theme for your slide can be whatever you want, whatever looks good to you and makes it pop in your mind, whatever gives it a little flair. So you can scroll through and check out all the different themes, click as many as you like, and decide on the one that makes the most sense. I'm going to go with this one because our topic is polar bears, and that one kind of reminds me of like snow and ice, which is where polar bears live. So I'm going to click on this one. But again, if I don't like it after it applies to my slide, I can always change it later. So once I click it though, I need to look at every slide just to make sure that the formatting is correct, right? So we see on the reference slide, it put the reference on this side and it put the text on the right side. I think that looks pretty cool actually, so I'm going to leave it like that. But I should check every slide. So I'm going to start with slide number 1. When I click on slide number 1, I see that it's changed up this slide a little bit. Okay, I'm going to go down to my next slide. Oh, I really like the way that looks. The problem is my text is kind of off at the moment. It's kind of on the bottom. So I need to adjust the text up so that it can fit. So in order to do that, I just click somewhere in the text box. The box is going to appear, and then because it's text, I can grab it from the top and bottom. If it was a picture, I'd want to be more careful and only grab it from the sides, but it's text, so I'm just going to grab the top and scoot it up a little bit so that all my text fits on my slide. So now that I've done that, I see that the text all fits on the slide. I can read everything, and that's pretty cool looking to me. So I'm going to leave that as is. Now I'm going to look at my third slide. Ooh, yeah, the third slide looks really good. I love the colors that go really well with the pictures that I chose. Now, I'm really liking the way this is turning out with this theme. And then my fourth slide, beautiful. Okay, so the theme that I picked was really successful. If yours isn't, again, choose a different theme. But I'm happy with my theme, so I'm going to close the theme box down. Now, I'm going to change the background of my title page because this background is pretty cool, but it's also kind of lame and boring, let's be honest. But what would really make that background pop is if I put a picture of a polar bear. So I'm going to choose the button that says background at the very top, and then I'm going to choose image. Now, with the background, it's okay for you to just search for an image and put it on your background. This is the one time Miss Mac is not going to ask you to do the citation for your background. Okay, so we're just going to do a regular Google image search. But I do have to click that button because right now it's on upload, so it would have to be a picture that was already on my computer. But let's choose Google image search. And we're going to search for, you guessed it, polar bears, because that's what our topic is about. Polar. Polar. Can't spell. And polar bears. All right. Now that we have polar bear search, we're going to get lots of cool different polar bear options. I personally love this super pretty background with the different lights from the area that they're on. So I'm going to click that one. But you have the scroll bar here so you can look through all the different... Ooh, actually now I really like this one. I'm going to go with that one. I'm glad I looked. But you look through them all and decide which one you want. Once you click it, it's really easy. You see a blue box pops up at the bottom, and you just need to click insert on that blue box. When I click it, it's done. It puts it on that picture, and everything's done with it, and I can just go ahead and hit done. Now, as you can see, it didn't really affect the theme with the white part on top. That part stayed on there, and it just put the polar bear part at the bottom. If I don't like that, I can change the theme on this particular slide, but that, again, is going to be up to you. For now, I'm content with what I chose. I'm going to leave it like it is, and I'm going to say good luck to you guys. Can't wait till you finish up. Turn this project in, and let's see all this awesome work you did. Bye.